Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're going to show you how to check Gmail storage so you can easily see how much space your emails and files are using. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your Gmail account using your username and password. This is where all your emails are stored. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of your inbox and look at the bottom left corner. Here you will see a storage usage bar that shows how much Gmail storage you have used and how much space is still available. Step 3. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Gmail screen. This icon gives you quick access to your Google account settings and personal information. Step 4. Select Manage Your Google Account from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Go to the search box on the Google account page. This search feature helps you quickly find specific settings without scrolling through different sections. Step 6. Type storage and click on the search result. This will show detailed storage usage across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos, helping you understand exactly where your storage space is being used. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful videos.